Hello everyone, good day and welcome back to Rafael Cooking Style. As you may see, we're gonna do a one pot cooking with a whole chicken. We got some potatoes, sweet potatoes, and also we have some mushrooms, red bell pepper, onion. We're gonna mix them all together. Yeah, just like that. And then we're gonna season it. We're gonna use olive oil, salt, pepper, and a little bit of garlic powder. This is around a teaspoon, just around. So just black pepper and some salt. This is just like 1.5 teaspoon around. Yeah. Then just mix it all together that all the veggies get the seasoning. And the next step is our chicken. Just like this. All well spread. It's important that they all have the salt and the pepper and the oil. Yeah. Now we're gonna add our tray and our whole chicken. The main idea for the whole chicken is to cut through the spine, that we are gonna just get all the chicken in flat chicken. Yeah, just through the spine is, yeah, it's the easiest way. Next to the spine in one of the sides, yeah, and then you have the spine in one side and the other side just the breast. Sorry. Yeah, I just removed a little bit of the fat that the chicken had in between the legs, and now we got our chicken, and then we are gonna add some mustard. The mustard, besides the flavor, is that our rub sticks to the chicken. Yeah. That's the main focus or the main work just for the mustard. Yeah, I am using regular mustard, just like that, or whole chicken with mustard. And now you are gonna use the chicken rub you want to. Just important that all the in this part of the chicken, this side of the chicken, that just get mustard so that the rub sticks to the chicken and doesn't get off the chicken. That's the main idea. Yeah, just like that, we're just gonna turn it. Same procedure, mustard everywhere, rub. Now to our tray, and as you see, there is not much rub on the table I'm using. Yeah, just we finish up the little bit where it didn't had rub, and now we are just ready to go to our preheated oven. Yeah, I got a 180 degrees, and we're gonna bake this for around 1 hour. Just you see, 1 hour, 180, and then you try if your potatoes are well, and then you check the temperature, of course, of the chicken if you need to. And just like that, look, very easy. So if you are so far to here, I hope you like it. Subscribe to the channel, leave the thumb up button, and enjoy the journey. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.